Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional in today's newspaper on Monday, August the 21st, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. Yeah, it's definitely 3 stars. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the 4 stars Sudoku, number 6960. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one, oh, correction, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, we have here 3 twos, we have here 3 threes, 2 fives, 2 fives, 4 sixes, all right, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 1 nine. So the 6s are in majority. Can I start with 6? Yes, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, last row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 7. Need a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Need 8 here. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have 3 and a 7 in the first row, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. Well, these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. Okay. So we have a 5 in one of these 3 boxes. In the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column with 3 in the middle column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing, apologies. 5 missing numbers, 6 missing numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of the missing numbers is 5, we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Alright. Okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left on the 3. Could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in the second row, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Okay, so we have 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah, another pair in this big square are missing. The numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then the 4, 4, 4. Yeah, I need to think. Come on. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 3. Yeah. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the second row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Okay, so these 3 should be the 1, the 2, and the 4 is missing. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 4, 9, and I need a 1 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 1 in this row. Here can be 1 because we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2, 2, need a 2, yeah. We have a pair, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 6 as a pair. Alright, 9, 9, 9, 9. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 9 here, need a 8 here, need a 4 here, yeah. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have 2 missing numbers in this row, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. So I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 here, so the 9 should be there then. So 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. This is 1 and a 3, okay. So the 1 is missing here. 3 is missing here. 5 is missing in there. Well, okay. Need a 9 here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. I've marked those two boxes with the 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. Here, an 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be the end. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Okay, so 1 number left in this last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 8, 8, 8. Okay, 3 missing. Oh, 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left here in this big square for number 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here. Could be there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 3. Okay, cannot fill this yet. Need a 4 here. Yep. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Cannot believe this. 14 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. 2 stars. No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So, well, please read the time. So, totally different than the previous Sudoku. There I need more time. And here, yeah. So, within in 30 minutes. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.